Heat changes everything. A raw tomato is sharp, acidic, almost loud. But give it time in the oven and it softens, sweetens, and learns how to be gentle. Today, we let the fire do the talking and turn simple tomatoes into a roasted, smoky bowl of comfort. Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today I'm making roasted tomato soup. I start by cutting the tomatoes in half. You see the seeds, the juice, the freshness. This is the stage before transformation, where everything is still raw, still untouched by heat. The tomatoes move into a baking tray. A generous pour of olive oil, some sea salt, and some black pepper. I rub everything well, not just to season, but to prepare the tomatoes for what comes next. 2 whole garlic bulbs go in, along with an inch of fresh ginger and a sprinkle of sugar, not to make it sweet, but to help the tomatoes to caramelize and deepen in flavor as they roast. Into a preheated oven they go. As they roast slowly, the tomatoes collapse, their edges darken, and the natural sweetness comes forward. This slow roasting is what gives the soup its backbone. Once out of the oven, everything is transferred to a bowl. The garlic is squeezed out, soft, creamy, almost buttery. Then comes the smoke. A hot charcoal placed gently in the center. Covered briefly, just enough to add the deep, rustic aroma. On the stove, butter melts in a pan. A medium-sized chopped onion goes in and cooks slowly until soft and translucent. This step is quiet but essential. It supports every flavor that follows. Roasted tomatoes go in, along with all the juices from the tray. One cup of water is added. The pan is covered and everything simmers gently on low heat for around 5 minutes, letting the flavors settle and blend. Once cooked, the mixture moves to a blender. Fresh basil leaves are added, bringing a green aromatic lift. Blended until smooth and thick. The soup returns to a pan on low heat. I adjust the consistency with water, season with salt and pepper, and balance the acidity with just a touch of sugar. And finish with a spoonful of cream. And bring it to a gentle boil, just enough to wake everything up. Serve hot. Finish with a swirl of cream, softening the smokiness and rounding the flavors. This tomato soup is not about speed. It's about patience, fire, and balance. If this recipe spoke to you, like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal. Until next time, trust the process and let the heat do the work. Thank you for watching.